Jyoti Malhotra, who ran a travel account on YouTube, a travel blogger called Travel with Joe, has been arrested from Hisar in Haryana for sharing allegedly Indian military information with Pakistan. She's among 6 people, including a 25-year-old student, a 24-year-old security guard from Punjab and Haryana, who have been arrested on these charges. The Hisar DSP has spoken in this regard. Lalit with the details. Lalit, tell us more about this YouTuber. Why has she been arrested? Is there any proof of her actually spying for Pakistan?
If we talk about the proof, it's a major breakthrough which the Hisar police has got, as she has been arrested from the Haryana civil lines early in the morning today, and she was being produced in the district court, from where she has been sent to 5-day judicial custody. 5-day police remand, sorry. But if you talk about in the whereabouts, in the interrogation which she has given to the Haryana police, especially the Hisar police, it has been found that from 2023 onwards, she was in direct touch with the an official in the Pakistan High Commission in Delhi named Danish, with whom she has visited twice as a delegation to Pakistan. She has got cells, and she got in touch with the Pakistan intelligence operatives, from where she has been sending the sensitive information about the country to them. So she has admitted all these facts. Regarding this, if we talk about, already 6 persons have been arrested. On 11th May, first of all, 2 women was being arrested from Malerkotla, from which the Hisar police got the clue. And on today, this Jyoti Malhotra, the YouTuber, she has been arrested. She has been sending the messages through the WhatsApp, Telegram and other social media accounts, and has been sending the sensitive information. She has admitted all these facts. Till now, 6 persons have already been arrested, and police is further investigating the matter. Back to the studio.
Okay, here's what the police said on record on the arrest of the YouTuber. A few people have been linked to this case. Listen in.
कल हमने एक इनपुट के आधार पर ज्योति रानी पुत्री हरीश कुमार आरओ एक्सटेंशन हिसार को ऑफिशियल सीक्रेट एक्ट और 152 BNS के अंतर्गत अरेस्ट किया है। इसके पास प्राप्त मोबाइल और लैपटॉप से हमें कुछ संदिग्ध सामग्री प्राप्त हुई है। इसको हमने 5 दिन की रिमांड पे लिया है, पूछताछ जारी है। यह लगातार पाकिस्तानी नागरिक के संपर्क में थी, उसके बारे में इससे पूछताछ की जाएगी।